Let me get a picture of it. Look at all you guys. Smile, smile, Nick, John, look at all these guys. Jules.
Physics.
Oh, good. Erica.
Shot off horizontally. We're on top of a 5-meter tall building. We got it?
Yep.
Okay, so here, do we have projectile motion?
Yeah.
Yes, therefore we immediately go to
XY table.
Q.
VF, VI.
D-A-T.
VFVI deck.
That's the way I think of it. Without even looking at it, we're at Earth at sea level. Negative 9.8. Why is that negative, by the way?
Because
It's falling downward.
Because the force is down. And if the force is down,
So
the acceleration has got to be down. Agreed?
I think it was a matter.
Okay. And on the moon, what would that 9.8 be?
0.
No, things fall on the moon.
It would be less.
I don't
It
know.
would be less than 9.8. As a matter of fact, it'd be negative 1.6. What's the acceleration in the x direction?
0.
0. What else do we know?
We know D and Y.
D in the y is
5.
5? What's wrong with 5?
-5.
Negative 5, because that's our starting point. Everything below is
Negative.
negative. When this lands, what do I got?
In angle.
But a velocity in the x direction or velocity in the y direction?
In the Y.
X.
I got it in both, don't I?
Yes.
I got it here and I got it here.
Yes.
Agreed? But what does not change down here?
Velocity in the
Velocity in the x direction is still going to be 10. So what else can I fill up here?
10.
10 and 10.
The initial velocity in the x is 10. This is no acceleration.
So it's 10.
That's got to be 10. This is,
0.
make sense?
Yeah.
We're good, yes?
Yep.
So what can we do now? We got 3 things in the y row. Now we can look linearly at the y row, yes? Because we got 3 things. What can we solve for?
Yeah.
We can solve for t. We like t because...
It's a scale.
There you go. What equation are we going to use?
D
equals
VIT plus 1/2 AT squared. In the y direction, VI is
0. Negative 5.
negative 5 equals
1/2 negative 9.8.
negative 9.8. Someone do the math here, please. 4 divided by 4.9 is it's close to a second, isn't it? We like time, 1.2, 1.2. What is my range from the cliff to the landing point?
D and the X.
D in the x. How am I going to solve that?
D equals VIT.
Acceleration in the x is, therefore d, the range is equal to VIT. Agreed?
12 meters.
So it's got to be 10 times 1.2, 12 meters. So it lands 12 meters away. We're good?
Yep.
Oh yeah.
What can I do with final velocity here? X is 10. What's y going to be?
You gotta do the equation.
I got 4 things. What can I use over here to solve for that?
dx squared equals
I could do that. Why not use the easy one though? VF equals, agreed?
Oh yeah.
The VI drops, negative 9.8, 1.2.
Yeah.
Why is it negative?
Going
It's
down.
going down.
Negative 11.8.
Thank you. 11.8. So we got a velocity of 10 going east and 11.8 going down. If someone asked you the final velocity, what would you give them, 10 or 11.8? You would give them neither. A smart physicist would give them the hypotenuse. And that looks an awful lot like a right triangle.
It is a right.
What Greek guy are we going to use?
Pythagoras.
Pythagoras. 10 squared
Plus 11.
plus 11.8 squared
Square root of that.
equals that. Somebody?
15.5.
Matt.
15.5.
Thank you. So the hypotenuse, the final velocity is 15.5. What are the units?
Meters.
Meters per second. Is that positive or negative?
Negative.
You can't say that.
Can't.
You said it when you can't say it.
Sorry.
Isn't this part going positive?
Yeah.
And this part is going negative.
Oh, so
So why can you? How can you say that's
Can't.
negative?
You can't.
You're being unfair.
That is true.
So we can say it's 15.5. What's the orientation?
southeast.
Southeast, Jules.
Southeast.
Southeast. What else do we need?
Degrees.
Yeah.
We need an angle.
Yeah.
And the angle is always based on the
Why?
no. The what?
Origin. That thing.
The thing.
No, that's even better.
Yes.
Someone say the horizontal.
The horizontal.
So the sine of this angle has got to be 11.8 divided by. Sine is opposite over hypotenuse, right?
Yeah.
The hypotenuse is 15.5. Are we good?
Yeah.
So the sine's got to be 11.8. 15.5. Make sense? I'm not going to ask for this angle there. That's going to take too long. Do we got it?
Yeah.
Questions?
Good. All right, that's it for today.
Thank you.
Okay, wait.